Welcome to the 2026 Sandhills Open Road Challenge. This video is going to go through exactly what this race is all about, and then the next video I'll actually show more in-car footage. On Wednesday, we went through tech inspection, and then we brought it over to another building where they stickered up the car. A bunch of the high school kids, they actually make all the stickers as well. It was really cool. You give them a nice tip, and it's all good.
So right now we're at the beginning of the SORC race, which we'll be doing on Saturday. So we have to drive this to get to the Loup. You can see the big tower, so that's kind of the beginning of the race. I'm guessing at this white line they have up here.
The Loop takes place on the Thursday before the SORC race. It runs between the towns of Halsey and Purdom, about 11.6 miles, and you get to run both directions. Much tighter, a lot of undulation.
We're here, we're gridded up down this side street. A lot of Corvettes. That's pretty much what I'm in, 90-mile-an-hour group. A lot of Corvettes, Mustangs. Cars ready to go, stickered up, as you can see. So we will get in-car video and hopefully be rolling pretty soon. Here we are at the turn. One lap done, 7 minutes and 42 seconds. We think we're about 2 seconds fast, but we're going to get some breakfast. This thing is wicked. Well, I thought my Type 65 was the only one to do this event, and lo and behold, this guy from South Dakota shows up. So there's actually two of them today.
Friday morning, they do a shootout, 1/2 and 1 mile long. I have no video from that since we did not go. It's about 35 minutes outside of town. But yeah, I guess a car actually at 215 miles per hour. That's hauling the mail.
So here we're at the car show now, downtown. You can see actually two Acura NSXs. Haven't seen those around a while, and lots of Corvettes. Go figure. I'm at the other end of the car show now. Lots of cool stuff. This Cobra is actually wicked, all the aero. Some old NASCAR. This Corvette with twin turbos sticking out of the hood. Yeah, kind of crazy place. Like George's. So we're at Grazier's now eating lunch, and they've got posters and a bunch of the race stuff. We're getting on a bus. They're going to take us up to the course and some of the tricky spots so we can actually get out and walk it. I've never done this before. So it's about 8:45. We have got hail on the course along with thunder and lightning, so we are at a standstill. Everybody's gridded up and we are just sitting here. And it's starting to rain right here. So yeah, they're saying 10 o'clock, but we'll see because the weather does not look good. So we'll see. I just saw a flash. It's coming down. So now we're sitting in the car and it's raining more. So just wait and see. So we didn't get to run the northbound leg, too wet and hail. So we're up here now at the north part of the race. Gonna try to do the southbound leg. They're just waiting for the course to dry out a little bit more. So yeah, we'll see. So this is the only gas station in Arnold. This is it. You've got one pump on each side, and they got a little shop, and that's it. This is the gas station. So the awards banquet is actually down at the city park. Had dinner over here in this little hut, ate out here, and now they're up there doing all the